Hi everyone. So today I would like to start with a question. Do you trust the AI tools that you use? So this question comes to our mind a lot of times when we use these tools. So every day we hear about a new AI tool or a new AI model that has launched. So the pace of AI innovation is literally incredible and honestly a very much overwhelming. So, with all this rapid progress, one thing has become very clear that powerful AI has become available to everyone now. And today, there are multiple providers which are offering these advanced AI capabilities across the industry. But despite all this innovation that we have seen, one important question still remains. Can we actually trust the AI tools that we are using? So, when you interact with an AI tool, have you ever wondered, what is this conversation that I'm having with AI? Is this conversation secure? Is the data that I'm providing to these AI tools, has this data been used to train any of the models? Or could my sensitive information be accessed by someone else? I'm very sure that all of these questions come to your mind whenever you use these AI tools. एंड जब भी बात एक कंपनी के डेटा की आती है तो ये कंसर्न और भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं. So that's why trust becomes the foundation of any AI solution. So, what we need? We need an intelligence in a trusted manner, a tool which will protect our data, keep our interaction secure, and respect our privacy. And this is where Microsoft's enterprise data protection comes in picture. So Microsoft clearly commits that whatever prompts and responses that we give to Copilot are not used to train any of the underlying AI models. Simply, if I have to put it this way, your data remains your data. Now, let's just talk about M365 Copilot precisely. As I said in my previous videos, Copilot is a SaaS application from Microsoft. But most importantly, it doesn't have its own data. So it works on your data on your behalf. So it only accesses the information that you already have permission to access, whether that's the file, the emails, the chats, or the meeting contents. Now, let's say if you don't have an access to a file or a mailbox, do you think Copilot would be able to access it? No. Copilot would not be able to access it either. So if I have to put it this way, बहुत सीधी सी बात है कि Copilot can only see what you can see. So it follows the same permission and security rules that is already applied and exist in your organization. So there are three things when it comes to the data protection. Your data stays in your organization. The prompts and responses are processed inside your organization within the M365 boundary. The prompts and responses are not used to train any of the foundational AI models. And Copilot honors your permission. It only sees what you already have an access to. So these are the three things that we always have to remember. Now, all this trust that we have seen is represented by a very simple but a very powerful symbol, which is a shield icon that we see on the top right corner of the Copilot. Now, I would like to show you where exactly you can see this. If you see this here, this shield icon that you see at the top right corner of the Microsoft chat, this is the enterprise data protection that applies to the chat, the conversations that we are having with the Copilot. And it's a reminder that your interactions are protected by Microsoft's enterprise security and data protection control. So as AI continues to evolve, trust isn't an optional thing. It's a necessity. It's an essential thing. And that's exactly what enterprise grade AI solution like M365 Copilot are designed to deliver. It's a powerful AI backed by security, privacy, and trust. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.